Ever wondered how many people can actually use your Xero account? Is it just for you, the business owner? Or can your entire team jump in? Let's dive deep into Xero's user limits and find out exactly who can access your account and what they can do. Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting software used by businesses worldwide. It simplifies tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliations, and payroll. But when it comes to sharing your Xero data, you might have some questions. Can your accountant access it? What about your bookkeeper? Can your entire sales team see customer information? Understanding Xero's user limits is crucial for maintaining data security and ensuring the right people have the right access. Let's break down the different user roles and permissions within Xero. 1. Standard user roles. Xero offers a few standard user roles, each with varying levels of access. Administrator. This is the top dog. The administrator has full control over the Xero account, including adding and removing users, managing subscriptions, and adjusting account settings. Standard user. This is the most common role. Standard users have access to most features within Xero, allowing them to perform everyday tasks like entering invoices, recording expenses, and reconciling bank accounts. Read-only user. As the name suggests, read-only users can view data within Xero but cannot make any changes. This is ideal for situations where you need to share information with someone who doesn't require editing privileges. 2. Custom user roles. Xero also allows you to create custom user roles. This gives you granular control over which features each user can access. For example, you could create a custom role for your sales team that allows them to view customer information but restricts their access to financial data. 3. User permissions. In addition to user roles, Xero also offers granular permissions within each role. This allows you to fine-tune access for individual users. For example, you can grant or restrict access to specific modules, reports, and even individual transactions. 4. Xero's approach to data security. Xero takes data security very seriously. All data is encrypted both in transit and at rest, ensuring that your sensitive information remains protected. You can also implement multi-factor authentication, MFA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. 5. Tips for managing users in Xero. Regularly review user access. Periodically review user roles and permissions to ensure that everyone has the appropriate level of access. Use strong passwords. Encourage all users to create strong, unique passwords for their Xero accounts. Implement MFA. Enable multi-factor authentication for all users to enhance account security. Educate users on security best practices. Train your team on best practices for using Xero securely, such as avoiding phishing scams and recognizing suspicious emails. 6. Common use cases. Accountants and bookkeepers. Accountants and bookkeepers typically require full access to your Xero account to perform their duties. Sales team. Your sales team might need access to customer information and invoices, but you might want to restrict their access to financial data. Remote employees. If you have remote employees, Xero provides a convenient way for them to access the information they need to do their jobs. 7. Addressing common concerns. Can I have too many users? While Xero doesn't have a strict limit on the number of users, having too many users with unrestricted access can increase the risk of data breaches. How do I know if someone is misusing their access? Xero provides audit logs that allow you to track user activity within your account. You can use these logs to identify any suspicious behavior. Addressing a specific user question example. Let's say you have a small business with a few employees. You might have a role for your accountant with full access, a role for your bookkeeper with limited access to financial data, and a role for your sales team that allows them to view customer information but restricts their access to sensitive financial documents. Xero offers a flexible system for managing user access. By carefully defining user roles and permissions, you can ensure that the right people have the right access to your data while maintaining the highest level of security. If you're still unsure about how to manage users in Xero, consider consulting with a Xero advisor. They can help you optimize your user settings and ensure that your account is secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.